So I found this kind of bug that goes up to version 5.1.0 alpha and over, where if we have, for example, a UV sphere and let's add a little bit of complexity to it, so it has a subdivision modifier of 4, and then we add a cube for the purpose of just cutting it. And let's make it wire so we can see under. Okay, then we select the sphere and a boolean, okay, that is gonna be cut with the cube. Now if we move the cube, of course we have a slow movement, but if we disable the sphere, so we have only on the scene the cube, it should go faster. Instead it continues to do its boolean operations even if the sphere is not visible. So this is a problem, I think. So I'm gonna open a bug report for this one. Or if you have a solution, please tell me.